Solar Sump Pump. Unboxing Introduction. Complete set includes 1. Accessory bag. 2. Solar controller. 3. Solar pump. Solar sump pump. Controller specifications. Solar sump pump. Accessory bag. Accessories. Solar pump wiring. Accessories. Solar pump installation. Accessories. Solar controller installation. Practical operation guide. Solar pump wiring. Step 1. Strip 1 centimeter of the pump cable. Step 2. Firstly, cover the pump cable with heat shrink tube. And then cover the oil-resistant dual-wall heat shrink tube at the wire head. Step 3. Strip 1 centimeter of extension cable ends. Step 4. Use BV cold press terminals to connect the cables according to brown, blue, black, and yellow colors. Step 5. Use a hot air gun to heat the oil-resistant dual-wall heat shrink tubes and fix them at the connection of 2 cables. Step 6. Use insulation tape and high-pressure waterproof tape to insulate and waterproof the connection between 2 cables. Step 7. Use a hot air gun to heat the heat shrink tube and fix it at the connection of 2 cables. Step 8. Strip 1 centimeter of the other end of the extension cable and clamp the RV terminal. Cable diameter specification, recommendation table. Step 9. Customers can also choose to use cast resin straight-through cable gland kit to connect 2 cables. The specifications are shown in the figure. Optional wiring guide. Cast resin straight-through cable gland kit. Step 1. Cut off all accessories. Step 2. Assemble accessories 3 and 4 to separate each cable. Fix with insulation tape. Step 3. Accessories 1 and 5 are connected by snap fasteners, covering the junction of the 2 cables. Step 4. Seal the two ends of assembled accessories, 1 and 5, with insulation tape to prevent glue leakage. Step 5. Remove the sealing strip separating the cast resin of groups A and B, and mix the two groups of cast resins thoroughly. Step 6. Pour the mixed cast resin onto the connection between the two cables. Step 7. After filling the cast resin, cover the accessory tube and wait for the cast resin to cure. Practical Operation Guide. Solar Controller Wiring. Step 1. Unscrew the controller cable connector nut and take out the rubber plug. Step 2. The brown, blue, and black wires of the pump cable correspond to the UVW printed on the circuit board. The grounding wire needs to be connected to the grounding pile. Step 3. Connect the two wires of the stainless steel 304 tank float to the TH and CAM terminals respectively. Step 4. Connect solar panels. Connect the positive pole of the solar panel to the DC positive terminal of the controller. Connect the negative pole of the solar panel to the DC negative terminal of the controller. Be careful not to reverse the positive and negative poles, otherwise, it will cause irreversible damage. Step 5. Connect AC power. Connect the neutral and live wires of the power supply to the N and L terminals of the controller respectively. Do not connect DC power to the L and N terminals, and do not connect AC power to the DC positive and DC negative terminals, as this may cause irreversible damage. After the cable is connected, tighten the controller cable connector nut to secure the cable.